A guide wire 1,000 feet long is attached to the top of a tower. When pulled taut, it makes a 43 degrees angle with the ground. How tall is the tower? How far away from the base of the tower does the wire hit the ground? With any of these word problems, the first thing we want to do is to draw a diagram. The wire is 1,000 feet long and it is touching the top of the tower. And so this diagonal side has a length of 1,000 feet, which is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. It makes 43 degrees with the ground, so the wire and the ground makes a 43 degrees angle. How tall is the tower? We'll let it be y. And how far away from the base the tower the wire hit the ground, we make it this distance x. And so we're looking for y and x. To find y is the opposite side to the angle 43 degrees. To relate the opposite to the hypotenuse of this angle, we will use sine of 43 degrees, which is y over 1,000. Isolate y, we have y equals 1,000 times sine of 43 degrees. This is approximately 681.998 or simply 682 feet. Make sure that the calculator is set in degrees mode. To find x, to relate the adjacent side to the angle 43 degrees and the hypotenuse, we would use cosine. Cosine of 43 degrees is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. To isolate x, we have x equals 1,000 times cosine of 43 degrees, and this is approximately 731.35 or roughly 731 feet. It is better to use trigonometric function to find the remaining side. In this case, we did. If we were to use the Pythagorean theorem, we would have 1,000 squared minus the first side that we found, which is 682 squared, to get x squared. And this x squared is 53488.96399. And if we were to take the square root of this, we have roughly 731. But again, it is better to use trigonometry to find the missing side in the right triangle.